draw an angle 75 degree without protractor within short time easily. First of all, we draw a line AB. Take any point on AB, O. Now we construct an arc with any radius from the point O. Which is intersect the baseline at P. Now, without changing the radius, we draw an arc from the point P and get another point of intersection, which is Q, and take another arc from the point Q. We get the point of intersection R, and from the point Q and R, we construct two arcs with same radius, and they are intersect at the point S. Now we join O with S. We get an angle BOS, which is 90 degree. And if we join OQ, we get two angles. One angle BOQ, whose measurement will be 60 degree. Therefore, angle QOS equal to 30 degree, because sum of these two angles equal to 90 degree. Now we bisect the angle QOS. Let this point is T. We take an radius more than half of TQ and draw an arc. Similarly, without changing the radius, we draw another arc from the point T. Let the point of intersection of these two arcs is U. Now join OU. We get two angles QOU that equal to UOS, and here OU is the angle bisector of the angle QOS, whose measurement 30 degree. Therefore, these two angles are equal to 30 degree divided by 2, that equal to 15 degree. Now, if we add the angle BOQ with angle QOU, we get 60 degree plus 15 degree, that equal to 75 degree. Therefore, angle POU equal to 75 degree. In this way, We easily draw an angle 75 degree using pencil compass, pencil and ruler.